right, let's go. These deer ain't gonna shoot themselves.
We're here.
We're only 15 minutes in the hunt, and Corey and Missy have already talked more than I talked on all my hunts combined.
Can't believe we finally here.
But the good news is, at least the deer have caught up on the neighborhood gossip before they run away from us.
All right, this could be slippery. Yeah.
Gosh.
Yeah.
I'm dirty.
Do you have perfume on?
Huh?
Do you have perfume on?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Why?
She's got perfume on. Can't wear perfume.
Why?
What deer hunt? You cannot smell good and hunt deer. That's a rule. A deer, his sense of smell is his greatest asset. You need to run
Listen.
around in the bushes.
Like that's happening.
I just assumed they knew that. All right, look.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Oh my Jason. You're gonna be on the couch tonight. Whoa.
Oh, yeah. This is the hunting experience. I think this is actually the first time that I've seen my lovely city wife get a little dirty.
That's bad.
And I have to tell you, I like it.
I still smell that perfume. Hold this. Corey, I'm
Ah,
putting mud on you.
What up? No, you're not putting mud on me. I'll spray this up. Whatever.
You
What do you?
can't.
Oh. God, what is that smell?
You didn't just spray that on you.
Yeah. What?
That would be
Oh, my.
doe urine. I got it for the decoy, not you.
Corey. Oh my
Well, that's one
goodness.
way to handle it.
Oh my goodness. I didn't know it's for the decoy.
Well,
That's really,
you know.
that's disgusting.
Corey will never believe me, but I actually did not mean for that to happen.
If you see a deer headed your way, you need to stay high.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, why?
Let's go try to molest you.
That's disgusting.
Just saying. Doesn't make it any less funny, though.